One sunny morning, the king looked out from his palace roof. Down in the garden, soldiers were practicing archery. Their arrows flew through the air and landed on the ground. The king stopped and thought to himself, "I wonder who's the best archer in my whole kingdom." So he called his wise advisor. "Find the most skilled archer and add him to my royal army." The advisor replied, "As you wish, my king." The advisor sent messengers all across the land. Soon, 5 strong archers stood proudly in the palace garden. Their names were Alex, Ben, Charlie, David, and Ethan. The king sat down for the big contest. The advisor clearly explained the rules. Each archer would get 2 arrows and 2 chances to hit the target. The target had rings worth different points. Center equals 5 points. Middle ring equals 3 points. Outer ring equals 1 point. Miss equals 0 points, and that's called 0, which means nothing at all. The king nodded to start the competition. First came Alex. Alex took a deep breath. Whoosh! The first arrow missed. Whoosh! The second one missed too. The advisor said, "Alex's score is 0. And that's how the king first learned about 0, the number that means nothing. Next came Ben. His first arrow missed. That's 0. His second arrow hit the outer ring, 1 point. The advisor added, 0 plus 1 equals 1. Charlie stepped up next. His first arrow hit the outer ring, 1 point. His second arrow landed on the middle ring, 3 points. The advisor summarized, 1 plus 3 equals 4. David walked forward, calm and steady. His first arrow hit the middle ring, 3 points. His second arrow struck the center, 5 points. The advisor smiling announced, 3 plus 5 equals 8. Finally came Ethan. He aimed carefully. Thunk. Bullseye. He aimed again. Thunk. Another bullseye. The advisor clapped and declared, 5 plus 5 equals 10. The king smiled with pride. When the contest ended, the advisor asked all the archers to stand in order from the lowest score to the highest. But oh dear, they got mixed up. They stood like this: Ben, 1, Alex, 0, David, 8, Charlie, 4, Ethan, 10. The king got confused. "That doesn't look right." The advisor replied, "Let's fix the order, my king. Numbers should always go from smallest to biggest," and advisor asked them to stand in correct order. So they stood again properly. 0, Alex, 1, Ben, 4, Charlie, 8, David, 10, Ethan. The king clapped. "Perfect. We've found our best archer. And we've learned about 0, addition, and number order." The king announced Ethan the champion. And that, my dear, is how the king's archery contest taught everyone the magic of numbers. 0 means nothing at all. Addition helps us find how many altogether. And number order keeps everything in line. Numbers are like good teammates when they stand in order.